Hello students, welcome to your music class. Today we will do basic rules of music. As we are starting our class, so we should know the rules of music because while performing any task, we should know the rules behind it. Now I am telling you how to improve your voice by following these simple rules. First, Sargam practice is must. Yes, my students. If we want to sing well, we should do Sargam practice regularly. Do you know about the Sargam? Yes. Do you know about the Sat Swars? Yes, we have done before. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. हाँ जी. आरो सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा. अवरो सा नी धा प ma ga re sa. Yes. Yes, my students. To form a sargam, we use these 7 swars in a different variations. For making sargam, we have to use these 7 swars in different variations. हर सरगम इन्हीं 7 स्वरों द्वारा बनाई जाती है. पूरे विश्व का संगीत ही इन 7 स्वरों पर टिका है. तो if we want to sing well, we should practice sargam regularly. Second one is, we should avoid oily and spicy food. Oily and spicy food must be avoided. Oily मतलब तला हुआ भोजन और स्पाइसी मसाले युक्त भोजन. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी आवाज़ सुरीली व सुंदर बनी रहे तो हमें ये मसालेदार और तेलीय भोजन को अवॉइड करना पड़ेगा. वी शुड अवॉइड ऑयली एंड स्पाइसी फूड एज इट जग्स आवर वोकल कोट. Gargling should be done with lukewarm water. Do you know what's the meaning of gargling? Yes. जब हम अपने मुंह में हल्का गर्म पानी रखकर उसको बुलबुले बनाकर फिर फेंकते हैं तो उसे हम गार्गिल कहते हैं. ये हमारे कंठ को साफ कर देता है. तो when we use lukewarm water to make bubbles in our throat and after this we split, it calls gargling. So we should gargling for a betterment of voice. Om chanting should be done for 1 or 2 minutes. We all know about the Om chanting. How do you chant Om? We should take a deep breath in and while exhale the breath, we should chant Om like this. So students, we have to done this activity for 1 or 2 minutes regularly. Now we'll talk about riyaz. Do you know the meaning of riyaz? Riyaz means practice. Yes, practice of old tradition, riyaz of old tradition must be followed. Old traditional मतलब हमारी पुरानी पारंपरिक तरीके. हमें अपने पुराने पारंपरिक तरीकों के द्वारा रियाज करना चाहिए. So, we should use the harmonium and tanpura for our daily riyaz to make better our voice. We should not yell, be soft while conversation. Yes, this is very important point. If we want to sing sweetly, first we try to speak softly. If we speak softly, then we will sing sweetly definitely. For singing sweetly or melodious, we have to speak softly and politely. Children should take kabab chini at times. Do you know kabab chini? Kabab chini is used to make our voice better. Yes, if we want to sing well, if we want to sing melodious, we should take kabab chini at times in a daily routine. Kabab chini clear all the jerks in our throat. So, children, I advise you to take kabab chini regularly for your better voice. Children should take Kant Sudharak Vati at times. This is the same. Kant Sudharak Vati also used for clearing the jerks of your vocal cord. So children, अगर हम कंठ सुधारक वटी को रेगुलर यूज़ करते हैं, लेते हैं, तो हमारे जो कंठ की, हमारे थ्रॉट की जितनी भी विकृतियां हैं, जितनी भी खराबियां हैं, वह दूर हो जाएंगी और हमारी आवाज़ में मधुरता आएगी. गुड सिंगर शुड गिव प्रॉपर रेस्ट टू हिज वोकल कॉर्ड. दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. If you are a good singer, you will give proper rest to your vocal cord. As do you know our body is like a machine? If we will not give a rest to it, then it will be weak. Just like as our voice, our vocal cord also need rest. If we will sing continuously and not giving rest to our vocal cord, it will be damaged or it will be weak. Practice singing keeping various articulations in mind. Yes. So my children, if we will practice regularly, if we'll sing regular, then automatically different variations, different ideas comes to our mind. We can use our creativity and we can use our common sense so well and if we sing regularly, then we can make our creations so beautiful. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हमें अपनी प्रैक्टिस सिंगिंग की प्रैक्टिस करनी है और उसके द्वारा हमें अपनी कॉमन सेंस को और क्रिएटिविटी को भी यूज़ करना है. अगर हम रोज़ सिंगिंग करेंगे तो स्वयं ही हमारे दिमाग में हमारी डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ आने शुरू हो जाएंगे, क्रिएटिव आइडियाज़ आने शुरू हो जाएंगे और हम अपनी कॉमन सेंस को अच्छे से यूज़ कर पाएंगे. तो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, मुझे आशा है कि आपने इस क्लास से सीखा होगा कि हम अपनी वॉइस को किस तरह सुरीला बना सकते हैं, किस तरह सुधार सकते हैं. तो I hope my children you have enjoyed this class and will follow the rules to improve your voice. In next class we will do the uses of dances. Till then, bye. Have a good